My name is Matt Wilson. I'm the Managing Director of Safe Harbour Seafood and Sliders Oyster Bar. Behind us you see the newly remodelled Sliders. This has been a project in the works probably since the owners, Deanna and Chris, decided to purchase the business Sliders about 5 years ago. They knew they were buying a business that was in a building that would eventually age as it had been here since the 1930s, 40s, and they knew that sometime down the line a major remodel would have to take place. Deanna and Chris, the owners, they had their first date here. They loved this place. They grew up coming to this place and they always believed in it. So for them to get the opportunity to buy this property and then put the money into actually developing it and building it into what it is today, that means a lot to us, and it means a lot to them as well, to give back something to the community. And with that, we decided to sit down with an architect. We had a vision plan, what we wanted for this. We had our motivations and our inspiration from this beautiful area in Neptune Beach. We had our roots in surf history. The owner was a surfer back in the day when he was growing up here, and it's always been something that's been very close to his heart. And with us owning Safe Harbour Seafood, we knew that seafood had to be at the root of it too, obviously. Now, before it was an oyster bar, it's still an oyster bar. We're making things a little more casual here. We've got more of a bar emphasis. Come along, take a walk around, you'll see if you've been here before, our bar was at the back of the building. We made the decision to move it from the back to the front and do a whole new indoor-outdoor premise that you can see behind us. This is Sliders. It's fun, it's fresh. We want you to come and try it out. We're super excited about it. It's been a lot of hard work going into it. We've worked with some amazing contractors, all local. Frank Gamo, who's a house builder here, and his partner Ken Sarbu from the commercial side of construction. And they came on board and helped us. And then I also ended up meeting Julie and Greg Schwarzenberger, who own Hotel Palms. And they came on board to help us with this design that was something different for this area. We put together something special. So come on down and join us and let us know what you think online.